Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a type of special journal which is purchase journal. In purchase journal, as its name implies, here we only discuss all the entries, all the transactions which are related to purchases. Remember one thing, there will be no sales entry, no purchase return entry, no sales return entry, no any other entry except purchases. So when we buy, we purchase from different customer from different sources, different companies, different suppliers, and hence each supplier will have his own account, and we will discuss this differently, separately. This is the first question of purchase journal, which we are going to discuss today. And at January 10, 2005, purchase 400 kgs of sugar from Slim and Sons at rupees 10 per kg. This is the first entry, first transaction. Next is at January 15, 2005, purchase 200 liters of mustard oil from Rahman and Company at rupees 12 per liter. This is the second one. At January 23, 2005, purchase 100 kg of dalda ghee from Lever Brothers at rupees 10 per kg. These are the three entries. You have noticed that in the both three entries we have only there is only entries which are related to purchase. There is no sales entry. Sometimes there are included sales entry due to in order to make us confuse. So we will only entertain the entry which is related to purchases if they are allowing us to make a purchase journal. Okay. So the first entry will be like this. January 10, 2005. Here we can see purchase 400 kg of sugar from Slim and Sons at rupees 10 per kg. It means that per kg of sugar is of 10 rupees and we are going to buy 400 kgs of sugar. So there is no mention that 400 kgs of sugar will have how much price. So per unit price is 10 and we are going to buy 400 kgs. So we will use the multiplication rule and we will multiply 400 by 10. So the total amount will be 4,000 rupees or dollars. Okay, you can see here details and amount column. Detail and amount column are the two columns. Sometimes we buy two or three things same date from the same supplier, therefore we use two columns, detail and amount. In detail we write down 4,000 sugar, and for example we buy oil at the same date from the same supplier from for 2,000. Then we will write here 2,000 and we will write the amount 6,000 in the amount column. Here we only buy one thing from one supplier at one date, so we will write 4,000 in detail column and write 4,000 in amount column. Okay, invoice number and ledger folio will be not be entertained in this particular journal because there is no particular previous record with this kind of supplier, Slim and Sons. So the next second entry is purchase 200 liter of mustard oil from Rahman and Company at rupees 12 per liter. So here there is we are going to buy 200 liters and per unit price is 12. And, it means per liter price is 12. There is no mention that how much of 200 liters of mustard oil has price. So we will use multiplication rule as we used above and find that amount of 200 liters of mustard oil like this. 200 liters of mustard oil at rupees 12 per liter. 200 will be multiplied by 12 and the total amount will be 2400, and it will be written in detail column and amount column. Rahman and Company and Slim and Sons, these are the suppliers which are going to sell us. Therefore, we write the name of the supplier on the top of every entry. Salim and Sons, the first entry, first transaction was done with Salim and Sons, and the second was done with Rahman and Company. So the supplier will be written top, and then we will write how which thing we are going to buy, how much quantity we are going to buy, and the price of that good. In special journal, there is no narration like in the uh, ordinary general journal. We narrate between the at the end of and every transaction. Okay. The third entry is January 23, 2005. Purchase 10 kg of dalda ghee from Liver Brothers at rupees 10 per kg. Okay. We are going to buy 100 kg and the price of per kg is 10. Here we also use multiplication rule and multiply 100 by 10 and get the total amount of the ghee. So here we write the name of Liver Brothers because Liver Brothers are our supplier. We are buying from Liver Brothers. 100 kg ghee at rupees 10 per kg. So 100 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000. 1000 is 1000. Import the detail column and amount column. Purchase account debit. At the end, we will write purchase account debit because we can clearly see that the total amount 4000, 2400, 1000 equal to 7400. The nature of purchase is debit. Remember one thing, the nature of purchase is always debit. It is the special journal of purchase. It is the purchase journal basically. So the purchase account debit is written in the bracket because the nature of purchase is always debit, and here we can also see that there is no negative sign with 4000, there is no negative sign with 24,000, no negative sign with 1000, and there is no bracket. This bracket shows that this amount is of negative. Okay, when we accumulate is when we add all these three total amounts, it is equal to 7400. Okay, this is all about today's lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me.